What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, I've said this before that I think people are looking at XRP the wrong way fully. And some of these comments that I received are telling me that that is true, that it's continuing to happen. And the comments are referring to XRP and what they're doing at what prices, and the fact that they don't believe that it's going to be as valuable. Or if they do believe that it's going to be valuable, they don't see through that value, right? They don't see through the growth of that and be able to profit the largest amount that they could from it, right? Kind of like a Bitcoin scenario where you have 10,000 Bitcoin and you sell it for pizza. You didn't see the full value of it. You just wanted to show that it could be used as a transaction currency, right? As real dollars. But in reality, that person lost out on multiple millions of dollars because they didn't actually see it through. They just wanted to show the value. Um, Now, I want to talk about XRP and actually seeing that value through, because I think if you are holding your XRP on an exchange right now, I think you need to move it now, right? Now, I'll explain what I mean. Please see this through before you decide to take any action, but hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to check out my link for today's video sponsor, iTrustCapital, please do so. You can get a funding bonus when you use my link here. iTrustCapital, you can buy and sell crypto, gold, silver, and they have a crypto IRA where you can invest into cryptocurrency and not pay a crazy amount of taxes in the end if you are getting swallowed alive by taxes in the short term, but you want to be able to gain a lot if you're selling your crypto actively. You can do that within a Roth IRA and be able to pay less taxes or no taxes or deferred taxes, depending on which one you decide to pick. Here's an example of what I have. I'm planning on moving XRP consistently over there for my forever balance, and I will explain why I'm deciding to do that. But I have about $500 over here and 334 XRP currently standing in this area. Now, check out my link for iTrustCapital. Link will be at the top of the description. Now, XRP stands at a price of $1.43. It is down by 1.29%. Not crazy. We saw this at $1.50, so it did kind of break out yesterday, but is sliding from that. And you can see the entire market is not necessarily looking super positive. But it is still the fifth largest cryptocurrency, including stablecoins in the world, at an $88 billion market cap with $4.5 billion worth of volume. Still seeing that increased volume of 105% increase over 24 hours. 5.13% volume to market cap ratio with now over 530,000 holders to date. Now, when I talk about moving XRP, I know people tend to go, what are you talking about? Why do I need to move it? Or is something wrong with exchanges? What's happening here? No, the comments that I received were more on, I'm selling all of my XRP at $5. I'm selling all of my XRP at $10. When I mention my exit plan and how I'm selling some at 5, some at 10, some at 20, some here and there and forever, right? They tend to ignore a lot of the levels. They just go, I'm selling it all at one point. Now, I'm not saying you can't sell what you own. You could do whatever you feel that you want to do. But I think that you should always want to see something through, even if it's a very small amount. If you have 10,000 XRP in your possession, it wouldn't hurt to see through 10 XRP to its fullest extent. Yes, you would probably be upset with the fact that maybe it gets to $100 or even further than that. And then you're like, what I could have had would have been massive, but you still saw it through and you still were able to gain something and sell something at that higher level, or even hold on to it at that higher level. So I think with anybody, you should be having a forever balance. And if you're holding all of your XRP on, let's say, one platform, you're holding it all on Coinbase, right? That's where you should now think it through again and go, all right, should I be holding on another platform? Should I have a forever platform? Should I, have it in different places? And I say yes. That's why today's video sponsor actually means a lot to me, because it truly can, have you express a forever balance, right? Have you have that forever balance. So when you talk about iTrustCapital and having $480 worth of XRP in here, that could be enough, right? That 334 XRP at two zeros, right? Because it's at a $100 price point, could be worth $33,000 because you held it until its fullest extent. And I'm not saying that you have to hold all of your XRP or move all of your XRP. I'm saying that with me, I have 200,000, technically 210,000. I always say that I have 203,000, but really I have a total of 213,000, and might even be more than that because I have some in other places as well. But I have 10,000 of my XRP that's sitting in my Forever wallet. And my Forever wallet is going to change and move over to a place where it can be invested into this, traditional IRA where taxes are deferred until, a later date. As I'm making whatever money I make, I can make that money and then the taxes are deferred till later. Or if you have a Roth IRA, your taxes could be zero, right? So you're being able to take a small portion of it and kind of forcing yourself to see that through. That's what I like about these. That's what I like about an iTrustCapital, is because you can take your XRP, leave it there forever, and you have value, have a reason to leave it there forever. It's not just you holding in Coinbase, and when you're holding in Coinbase, you have 10,000 XRP, but if you decide to sell, you now have to pay taxes on that money, pay taxes on the amount that, you gained, and, you can go from there. Now, some people want to get rid of that tax right away, but if you have a Roth IRA, you may not have to pay any tax at all. At the end of it, you may not have to pay any tax at all. That's what I mean. That's a big deal where it's a reason to hold long term. Like for me, in my Forever wallet, right? My Forever wallet, I'm holding it for a long period of time. If I don't decide to sell it, if I'm deciding to hold on to it for 5 years, 10 years, it doesn't matter that now I would have to buy instead of sending it, because you can't really do that. You have to contribute to it. So if I'm sending it over there, or buying it at that level, it doesn't matter. I'm holding it for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, whatever the case may be, forever. And then seeing it through at the end of, the time period, 60 years old or so. I think that with whatever you have, you should break it down and go, this is what I plan to sell short term. Keep some that's on exchanges, because it's short term. You can make money from it. You can move money fast. Others may be a little bit longer term. You might want to hold it into your leverage trading platform or whatever, right? You might want to hold it in that. It may be a little bit longer term or shorter term, whatever. But the longest term, the forever, and the money that you even want to, the places where you can stake your different positions, you can hold that in iTrustCapital. You can hold that in a place where you're not going to pay those taxes on whatever you decide to do, right? The taxes are going to be deferred or they're going to be non-existent. I think that's a great play that secures your future with not only one cryptocurrency like XRP, but also multiple cryptocurrencies. So definitely give that a look. I know you can check it out. The link is at the top of the description, where you get a little bit extra. And if you go and check it out yourself, you might get less. But yeah, I think that's a great idea. Move some of your XRP, not all of it, but move some of it and forget about it. Really. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the video. It helps out the channel. And again, thank you, iTrustCapital, for sponsoring this video and even making it easy to sponsor this video and put anything out, because that's something that I believe in, having a forever balance and being able to, profit and also potentially pay less taxes as you end up withdrawing it, decades from now. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.